Hello, friends. It is your favorite Scrum Master here, Anna Bingham. And if I'm not your favorite Scrum Master, don't worry about it because by the time I'm done sharing this tip with you, you're going to love me, as always. Okay, I'm done. So today's discussion is really talking about situational leadership. Now, situational leadership is a model that lots of corporations or industries do use in order to help leaders to be able to have the appropriate leadership style to align with the development level of their direct reports, right? So as a Scrum Master, depending on the environment that you come into, it's very important for you to be observant. So that way, based on what the need is, you need to adjust your leadership style in order for you to help the team. You might come to a team that has never done Scrum before or never done Agile before. So it means that the leadership that is needed is for you to help teach them, right? And then at some point, they will eventually, it will go to they start maturing, you'll be supporting them, you'll be coaching them, and then eventually delegating, right? Where it gets to a point where you can ask the team members, hey, who would like to facilitate this event, right? The goal of our teams is to help them be self-organized and self-managed. So that's where you want to be. But your leadership style really needs to be able to be adjustable and adaptive to what the environment is. You can't go to an environment and expect the team to, you're using a development style that is, let's say, coaching on a team that I've never done Scrum before. It's going to clash, right? Because people are not able to execute their task if they don't have the right direction, right? So you need to kind of show them how to write a user story. You need to show them how to write an acceptance criteria, what the acceptance criteria look like, which I really highly suggest if you're starting a new team from scratch. It's so imperative for you to have a template of, this is what an epic look like, this is what a user story look like, this is the acceptance criteria, this is how it would look like for it to be sized, and let's model this, right? And then from there, create workshop or activities that is going to help them to be able to, get to a place where they'll be comfortable in continuing this behavior that you're teaching them. So it's so important. I cannot stress this enough for you to really observe when you get into an organization and really understand what is the need that they have, and so that you can be able to pivot and adjust your leadership style to be able to align with theirs, so you can, provide the most value and make the most impact to them, and in turn, the organization. I get Scrum Masters all the time, or I see Scrum Masters all the time, where they just think that it's one size fit all, and it cannot be one size fit all at all. It just cannot be one size fit all, and you will be the one who has sleepless nights because there is going to be resistance and pushback. I just wanted to share this information because I thought it would be of use to you. And the goal of me sharing is so that you can be able to have the information so you make the right decision for you at the end of the day, right? Bye. Thank you. I am your favorite. I said that. All right. Bye.